Did you know that snails can sleep for up to 3 years? Yes, 3 years. Imagine that, 3 years of continuous sleep. How is that even possible? Keep watching to find out. 10. Amazing facts in this section. Snails can sleep for up to 3 years. When snails enter a long sleep phase, their bodily functions completely shut down. In harsh environmental conditions, they can survive for years without food or water. Dolphins can sleep with only one hemisphere of their brain. While one hemisphere of their brain sleeps, the other hemisphere stays active for swimming and breathing. Camels can survive for up to a week without water. These unique animals are designed to withstand extreme dehydration conditions. If this fact amazed you, be sure to hit like and comment below about how you think camels can survive like this. Cats can see in complete darkness. A cat's eyes are designed for night vision, allowing them to hunt easily in total darkness. Chimpanzees can understand human emotions. Chimpanzees can mimic human behaviors and even understand emotions like happiness or sadness. Deer regrow their antlers every year. These antlers are made of bone and grow back every year. Dolphins can call each other by name. Dolphins have unique sounds they use to identify each other, much like humans call each other by name. Penguins can't fly, but they can swim up to 23 miles per hour. Although penguins are not designed for flight, they are incredibly fast swimmers, making them excellent underwater hunters. How about this fact? Why do you think penguins can't fly? Share your thoughts in the comments. Rabbits can see 360 degrees around them. This incredible ability helps rabbits react quickly to potential threats from all directions. Giraffes sleep only about 10 minutes a day. These unique creatures sleep very little each day, spending most of their time eating leaves from trees. And in the next section, we have a truly bizarre fact that you won't believe. There is an animal that can survive for an incredibly long time without food and does it in an astonishing way. Stay tuned to find out. Did you know that some animals can survive in extreme conditions that seem impossible? Well, here's a mind-blowing fact about one of those creatures. 10. Amazing facts in this section. Tardigrades can survive extreme conditions. Tardigrades, also known as water bears, are microscopic creatures that can survive in space. Intense radiation, freezing temperatures, and boiling heat. They can even survive the vacuum of space. Crows can recognize human faces. Crows are incredibly smart and can recognize faces. They even have the ability to hold grudges against people they don't like. The heart of a blue whale is the size of a small car. The blue whale, the largest animal on Earth, has a heart that weighs around 400 pounds and is as large as a compact car. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. Flamingos are social birds, and when they gather in large groups, they're called a flamboyance, which perfectly suits their colorful and vibrant nature. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. Octopuses are fascinating creatures with 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. Their blood is blue because it uses copper instead of iron to carry oxygen. Elephants can communicate through vibrations. Elephants use infrasound to communicate with each other over long distances. They can detect vibrations from the ground that other animals can't feel. Polar bears have black skin under their white fur. Despite their white fur, polar bears actually have black skin. This helps them absorb and retain heat from the sun in the cold Arctic climate. Sharks have been around longer than trees. Sharks have existed for over 400 million years, which means they've been around longer than trees themselves. Bats are the only mammals capable of sustained flight. Bats are the only mammals that can fly for extended periods of time. Their wings are actually modified forelimbs, making them incredibly agile in the air. A jellyfish is 95% water. Jellyfish are nearly all water, with their bodies made up of 95% water. They don't have a brain, heart, or bones, and yet they have existed for over 500 million years. In the next section, we are going to reveal a fascinating fact about an animal that can regenerate its body and live forever. You won't want to miss this one. Have you ever wondered about the abilities of animals that seem to defy nature itself? Well, let's take a look at some more incredible creatures and their astonishing powers. 10. Amazing facts. In this section, sloths only move about 40 yards a day. Sloths are incredibly slow-moving animals. They move so slowly that algae actually grows on their fur, giving them a greenish tint. They only move about 40 yards a day. Cuttlefish can change their skin color in an instant. Cuttlefish are masters of camouflage. They can instantly change the color and texture of their skin to blend in with their surroundings. It's like nature's built-in invisibility cloak. Koalas sleep for up to 22 hours a day. Koalas spend most of their time sleeping, up to 22 hours a day. They have a very low-energy diet consisting mainly of eucalyptus leaves, which take a lot of energy to digest. The immortal jellyfish can revert to its juvenile form. The Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish, has the unique ability to revert to its juvenile form after reaching adulthood, essentially becoming biologically young again and starting its life cycle over. If this blew your mind, hit like and let us know if you think any other animals could have this crazy ability. The cheetah is the fastest land animal. Cheetahs can reach speeds of up to 60 miles per hour in short bursts. They are the fastest land animals on the planet, capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 mph in just a few seconds. The axolotl can regenerate lost limbs. The axolotl, a type of salamander, is capable of regenerating entire limbs, spinal cord, and even parts of its heart. It's one of the few creatures that can regenerate complex body parts. A giraffe's neck has the same number of vertebrae as a human's. Despite their long necks, giraffes have only 7 neck vertebrae, the same as humans. Their long necks help them reach high branches in trees for food. Some frogs can survive being frozen. The wood frog can survive being frozen during winter. Their bodies go into a state of suspended animation, and they thaw out once the weather warms up. The pistol shrimp can snap its claw so fast it creates a mini explosion. Pistol shrimps are capable of snapping their claws with such force that it creates a bubble that reaches temperatures hotter than the sun. Surface. Hummingbirds can fly backwards. Hummingbirds are the only birds capable of flying backwards. Their wings can rotate 180 degrees, allowing them to hover in one spot and fly in any direction. In the next section, we have a mind-blowing fact about an animal that can live without a heart. You won't believe it, so stay tuned. Ready for even more jaw-dropping animal facts? Let us dive into the world of nature, US most remarkable creatures and their unbelievable abilities. 10. Amazing facts. In this section, the heart of a shrimp is in its head. Shrimps have a very unique anatomy. Instead of having a heart in their chest like humans, their heart is located in their head. A single ant can carry 50 times its body weight. Ants are incredibly strong for their size. They can lift objects that are 50 times heavier than their own body weight, making them one of the strongest animals relative to body size. Sea otters hold hands while sleeping. Sea otters sleep while holding hands to keep from drifting apart in the water. This adorable behavior helps them stay together in large groups. A blue whale's tongue weighs as much as an elephant. A blue whale's tongue can weigh as much as an elephant. These creatures are not only massive, but their organs are just as impressive. A chameleon's tongue can extend twice the length of its body. chameleons have incredibly long tongues that can extend to more than twice the length of their body. They use them to catch prey from a distance. Giant pandas eat up to 40 pounds of bamboo a day. Giant pandas are mostly bamboo eaters, consuming up to 40 pounds of bamboo every day to sustain their large bodies. Kangaroos can't walk backwards. Kangaroos are known for their powerful jumps, but they can't walk backwards. Their large tails prevent them from moving in reverse. The peregrine falcon is the fastest bird in the world. Peregrine falcons can dive at speeds of over 240 miles per hour, making them the fastest birds and animals on Earth. Bumblebees can recognize human faces. Bumblebees have the ability to recognize human faces. They are far more intelligent than we give them credit for. The only mammals that can fly are bats. Bats are the only mammals that can achieve sustained flight. Their wings are essentially modified forearms, allowing them to maneuver expertly in the air. What do you think of these amazing creatures? Drop a comment below and tell us which fact surprised you the most. In the next section, we'll uncover the fascinating truth about an animal that can live for hundreds of years. You don't want to miss this one. You've made it to the last section, and we've saved one of the most incredible facts for last. Prepare to be amazed by an animal that can live for hundreds of years. 10. Amazing facts. In this section, the giant tortoise can live for over 150 years. Giant tortoises are known for their incredible longevity, with some living over 150 years. These slow-moving creatures have some of the longest lifespans on Earth. Some sharks can live up to 400 years. The Greenland shark is one of the longest living animals on the planet, with some specimens estimated to live for up to 400 years. The bowhead whale can live for over 200 years. Bowhead whales are known for their remarkable lifespan. They are thought to live for over 200 years, making them one of the longest living mammals. A jellyfish can be biologically immortal. Some species of jellyfish, like the Turritopsis dohrnii, are capable of reverting to their juvenile form and essentially start their life cycle over, making them biologically immortal. The red sea urchin can live for over 200 years. The red sea urchin is another example of an incredibly long-living creature. It can live for more than 200 years in the deep, cold waters of the Pacific Ocean. The macaw parrot can live up to 100 years. Macaws are known for their vibrant colors and intelligence, and they can live for up to 100 years, making them one of the longest living bird species. The Antarctic sponge can live for over 1,500 years. In the cold, deep waters around Antarctica, some species of sponge can live for over 1,500 years, making them some of the oldest living animals on Earth. The Galapagos tortoise can live for over 100 years. Known for their slow and steady lifestyle, Galapagos tortoises are famous for their ability to live for more than a century, with some reaching over 150 years. Some clams can live for more than 500 years. The ocean quahog clam is one of the longest living animals, with some individuals living for more than 500 years, outliving even many species of trees. The bowhead whale has the longest lifespan of any mammal. With a lifespan that can reach over 200 years, the bowhead whale holds the record for the longest-lived mammal on Earth. Thank you for joining us on this amazing journey through the animal kingdom. If you want to learn even more fascinating facts, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible content.